So you're thinking of getting DistroKid, but you're not sure which plan is the best for you. And by the way, if you're wanting to get the best price, no matter what plan you sign up with, then be sure when you do sign up to use my discount code, which is orpheusaudioacademy.com/DistroKid. I'll also link to that in the description below, as this will give you 7% off your first year and is the best discount you can get on DistroKid. All right, now in the rest of this video, I'm going to break down the different DistroKid plans, which one is best for you, and if there are any hidden fees or other things you need to be aware of before signing up with DistroKid. Hey, I'm Reagan Ram with OrpheusAudioAcademy.com, helping you make better music and grow your fan base online. And today we're talking all about the DistroKid pricing plan. So first you have the musician plan, or as DistroKid visualizes it, the single scoop ice cream cone plan, which is $19.99 a year, so basically $20 a year. And this is good for one artist or band name. Then you have the Musician Plus plan, where you get many scoops of ice cream, and that is $36 a year. And that lets you have 2 artists or band names, and you get a few more customization options as well, which I'll cover in a second. And then finally, you have the label plans, which start at about $80 a year, $79.99 a year, the whole ice cream truck. This is for if you are wanting to be a label, or you're wanting to have more than 5 artists or band names that you're distributing music with. So if you're an indie artist, you're probably not going to be interested in the label plan. So I'm just going to break down the differences between the musician and the Musician Plus plan. And remember, whichever one you sign up with, be sure to use my discount code OrpheusAudioAcademy.com/DistroKid so you get 7% off. So there's really 2 main differences between the musician plan and the Musician Plus plan, and those are how many artists you have in the level of customization. So with the regular musician plan, you can only upload music under 1 artist or band name, whereas the Musician Plus plan lets you upload under 2 artists or bands. And so this may or may not be of interest to you, right? If you just have 1 band that you're focused on, or 1 artist name that you're focused on, then you don't really need a second one. Personally, I make 2 different kinds of music, so I like releasing music under 2 different artist names. So that's why I have the Musician Plus plan, or one reason why I have the Musician Plus plan. The other reason I have it is because of the main difference number 2, which is that the Plus plan allows you to customize a few more things, such as the release date. The reason I have the Musician Plus plan is because of the second main difference between these 2 plans, which is that the Plus plan allows you more customization. Specifically, allows you to customize your label name, customize your release date, customize your pre-order date, and customize your iTunes pricing. Now, some of these I'm not as... So while you get all this customization, really the main one that is So while you get all this customization, really the main 2 that are of interest to me are the release date and the pre-order date. For me, being able to customize my release date is actually very important, as I can plan out and structure all my marketing and promotion efforts around that date, right? If you can't customize your date, you can't really plan things out. You can't really have structured, organized marketing efforts. And so your promotion kind of suffers as a result of not being able to customize your release date. Second, I really like being able to set my pre-order date, because having a pre-order is really important for being able to extend the life of your promotion, extend the life of your marketing period for your release, right? You're not just promoting your song when it's out or just before it's out, but you can have a longer pre-order period where you can offer different perks or benefits for people that want to sign up early. And so you're just able to open and extend your marketing window for each release, so that you can promote longer without annoying people, because you actually have something of note, something time-bound to talk about. And secondarily, if you are going for the Billboard charts, if you're wanting to get a song on the Billboard charts, then having a pre-order period is important, because Billboard looks at your sales and streams not just during the first week of launch, the first week your song or album is released, but it looks also at your pre-order period up to 6 weeks. So if you want to massively extend the amount of time where Billboard is counting your streams and sales so you can potentially get charted, then you want to have that pre-order period, and being able to customize that is vital with this Musician Plus plan. By the way, if you want to learn more about how you can actually get on the Billboard charts as an indie artist, I have another video where I walk through how to do this and all the prerequisites you need and different strategies for how to increase your streams and sales during that period so that you can get on the Billboard charts. And I link that video in the description below so you can check that out if that's of interest to you. Of course, you can also customize your label name and your iTunes pricing. That's not really that important to me. If it is to you, and that's another reason to have the Musician Plus plan. Now, lastly, before we cover which of these two plans is best for you, are there any other hidden fees or anything that you need to be aware of before getting DistroKid? And the answer is no. There's actually no hidden fees. I've never paid any more for DistroKid than what is listed on their website. Now, DistroKid does have some extra features that you can sign up for if you want to. I've never found these all that compelling, so I've never paid for them myself. But some of these extra features, these are things like making your song available for Shazam and Siri on iPhone. I don't see that as being very compelling unless you have your music being played in a lot of different places where people are hearing you who don't know who you are. Store Maximizer, this just adds your songs to any new stores they add. I don't see this as being important because you already have all the key stores covered and streaming platforms covered with DistroKid as is. YouTube Content ID, this will notify you and pay you if your music is ever used in any YouTube videos. Again, I don't see this being as that important unless, right, you're getting a particular song or two that's really getting put in a lot of YouTube videos and you're not getting your royalties, then you can go back and add this in. Song cover licensing. This is actually really interesting. For just $12 per year, DistroKid will cover all the legal fees and everything involved with the legal side of uploading a cover, so you can actually make money from your covers, and you just paid $12 a year. So you just have to think, am I going to be able to make at least $12 a year from streaming or more so that it's worth it? And so to do that, you would need about 3,000 streams a year to cover the cost of that. They also have a leave a legacy option so that if you ever cancel your account or there's a credit card issue and your payment doesn't go through, this leave a legacy option protects your music so that it's not taken down from the platform. We also have Social Phone, which lets you grow a fan base that you can then communicate with through text messaging. That looks interesting. I've not experimented with that myself. And they have a couple other things related to normalization and sound quality of your tracks, which again, I don't see as necessary because everything's already normalized on the streaming platforms. So I've never bought any of these extra features. You can if you want to, but they are optional and not necessary. So there are no hidden fees with DistroKid. What you pay is what you pay. And the great thing about DistroKid across all these different plans is you get unlimited uploads. I think this is one of the things that makes DistroKid one of the best distributors out there, is that you can upload unlimited music for a really low price. So it's the easiest way to get a lot of music out there. And it's really great. It really fits with the model for what it takes to be successful as an indie artist, which is uploading frequently to the platform. All these other distributors, they will charge you for every new upload. So this way, you're not being penalized by implementing the correct strategy to grow your fan base, right? These other platforms, they kind of incentivize you to upload less frequently, right? Do like bigger promotions, I suppose, and upload bigger albums every so often, maybe once a year. But this is better for the people that already have a big audience. If you're just looking to grow an audience first, then you need to be uploading a lot of singles, and DistroKid facilitates that very nicely since there are no fees for uploading. The second reason why DistroKid is awesome is that it doesn't take any royalty cuts from your music. You earn 100% of all your streaming royalties. So that is pretty awesome as well. So now between these two plans, which one is best for you? Well, I would say the musician plan is for someone who's just getting started. They're not really serious yet about growing a fan base or promoting their music. They're just want to get their music out there, just have it out there so people can listen to it. And that's really all they need, right? You can upload unlimited songs for just $20 a year. So the Musician Plus plan, I would say, is more so for the serious artist who's really looking to do a lot of promotion to promote each of their releases. They need to customize that release date, or you just want to upload music under 2 different artist names, then go with the Musician Plus plan. And then real quick, just to say about the label plans, you don't get any extra benefits or extra features with the label plans. Again, all you get are extra artist names or band names that you can upload music under. All right, with that said, if you are ready to go and sign up with DistroKid, be sure to go through my link that's in the description below, or you can go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/DistroKid. And by the way, if you're looking to grow the Spotify streams of your songs that you are putting on Spotify through DistroKid, then be sure to grab my free Spotify playlist placement guide in the description below. This will walk you through how you can actually get your music onto Spotify playlists so that you can hack the Spotify algorithm and explode your streams. All right, I hope this video was helpful. Let me know which plan of DistroKid you decide to get. Now, if you're wanting to maximize the results you get with DistroKid, then be sure to check out my video on the screen right now. This is my complete tutorial on how to use DistroKid, and it also walks you through all the amazing song promotion and fan base growing tools that you get as a member of DistroKid. All right, with that, keep creating, and I'll see you in a future video.